Hello friends, myself Sandesh Kesarath Rahul from Mumbai, India. By education I am mechanical engineer and by profession I am insurance and investment advisor and trainer. Me and my wife Abhaya are in business for last 20 years. We help people to find their future requirements and achieve their goals, and business corporates for business continuation and succession planning. I am Governing Council member for Maharashtra Chamber of Commerce, Industry and Agriculture. Today I am going to share with you the wealth principle 2, whereby you will understand why very few people are wealthy and other people are poor or mediocre. There are different mindsets of rich people and poor people. Rich people play the money game to win, and poor people play the money game not to lose. If you were to play any game only on defense, then there are absolutely no chances that you will win the game. This happens with most of the people. They play the money game by keeping in mind only survival or financial security so that they will not lose what they have. What is your true intention? To create wealth or just a survival? The goal of real rich people is to create massive wealth and abundance. Not to earn some extra money, but to create real big money. Goal of poor people is to earn enough to pay off all the bills. Law of intention says if your intention is to create only to pay off all the bills, then you will get exactly the same. Middle class people go one step further. They want to live comfortable after paying off all the bills. This is very tiny step. But there is big difference between being rich and being comfortable. Now at this level, you should understand one thing, that if your intention is to be comfortable, then there are absolutely no chances that you will become rich. If your intention is to become rich, then there are chances that you will become mighty comfortable. There is one saying, if you shoot at the stars, at least you will hit the moon. Poor people even don't think of shooting the ceiling of their own house. And thereafter they wonder why they are not becoming successful. If you want to get rich, your intention is to become rich, not to get enough to pay off all the bills or to become comfortable. Rich means rich. No other alternatives, period. Now there is one exercise. You have to write down what you want to buy in your life. Or write two important things. How much money you want to create this year, and how much should be net worth at end of the year. And this should demonstrate that you want to create wealth and abundance to become rich. And always keep in mind, rich people always play the money game to win. So in future, you have to play your money game to win, to become rich. All the best. Thank you very much. If you like this video, please press like button. Please subscribe my channel to get new ideas and new concepts. Also press bell icon to get the notifications. And if you want your friends and relatives to become rich along with you, share this video with your friends and relatives also. Thank you very much. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.